We read about average.
No. Vedic math. Okay, average comes under mental ability.
Yes, sir.
So in Vedic math, I think this is our last exercise. Wait, I'll show. Yes. Yes or no? By the completion and non-completion together. By the completion and non-completion together. Yes or no? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll complete one number by taking the deficient number from the other number. We'll complete it first and later we'll add the remaining number. Okay, so we'll see the next concepts. Now, here also the completing the whole. Completing the whole means here you have to complete these boxes with the 1 to 9 numbers. 1 to 9 numbers. This is one point. Second point, you should not repeat the digits. Sorry, you can repeat the digits. You can repeat the digits. But third point, you should not repeat the total combination. You should not repeat the total combination. Got my point? You can repeat the digits, that is okay, but you should not take the total combination, same combination. Suppose 1 to 7 is there, right? Here 1 to 7 is there. You should not take again 2 1 7. You should not take 7 2 1 or 7 1 2 because the combination is same. All of you clear?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. So let us try with the 1 in the first place. With 1 1, what can I fill here?
8.
8. To get 10, we need 8. Okay, 1 2 is already over. I'm taking 1 3. With 1 3,
6.
6 is required. With 1 4,
5. 5.
5 is required. Can I take 1 5?
No.
No, because
No.
if you take 1
It will
5,
become 1
you
5
need to
4.
take again 4. 1 5 4, it is already taken. So we should not take this. Next, 1 6.
No. No, sir.
No, because 1 6 3 is already there. 1 7.
No, sir.
No. 1 8.
No, sir. No, sir.
No. 1 9.
We can't, sir. Only 2 numbers are there.
Yeah. With 1 9, the other number will be 0. So see here we said we have to take the digits from 1 to 9. Right. So with 1 combinations are over. Then can I take 2 1?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
No. See the first
No,
combination,
sir, you
1
cannot
to
take.
7.
Otherwise, it will become 2 1 7.
Yes, that's right. Okay. Can I take 2 2?
Yes, sir, you can take that. Yes, sir, you can take.
Once again. Okay. 2 2 combination, the remaining number is
6.
okay. With the 2 3.
5. 5.
Okay. With 2 4.
4. 4.
4. With, can I take 2 5?
No, sir.
No, it is already there. 2 6. Already there.
No,
2 7.
Yes, you no, sir, you cannot.
No. So 2 8 we cannot because third number there is no
Yes, sir.
there will be no number in the third place. And with the 2 combinations are over. Then with the 3 we'll see.
We can take 3 3.
3 1.
3 3.
Yes. 3 3 is okay. 3 1. No.
No, sir.
3 2.
No,
No.
sir.
3 3.
Yes,
Yes.
you can take that.
With the 3 3, the remaining
4.
number will be 4.
4.
And then 3 4.
We
It is
cannot
there. 3-5 is there. 3-6.
It is there.
Yes, it is there. So 3-7 we cannot take. So then if you check with the 4-5-6, almost all the combinations will comes under these combinations only. So other than these combinations, you take any other combination, it will be a repetition of one of these combinations. Okay. So by taking any other number and to get any other number, you try this type of combinations. You try for 15, you try for 20. Okay. Next, we'll see the application of this now. We have to add these numbers. Okay. So while adding these numbers, don't do it in a normal way. We'll do one thing here. What we will do is we'll complete the tens first and later we will add the remaining numbers. We will complete the tens first and later we will add the remaining numbers. Okay. Suppose if you see question number I, so by taking 4, 2, 4, 4, 2, I successfully completed 10 and now I can add the remaining number 7. The answer is 17. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is this sum?
20.
7 and 3 is 10. Another
6 and 4 is 10.
6 plus 4 is also 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. In that way, you have to do. Okay. 1 second. Okay. Aditi,
Yes, sir.
can you do D?
Yes, sir. 5 plus 5 is 10, and from 4
Explain D.
and
First complete tens and later add remaining numbers.
yes, sir. 5 plus 5 we get 10, and then we can take 3 from 4 and add it with 7. We get another 10, and 1 is left, so we'll get 21.
Very good. So this is 10 and this is 11, together 21. Next, Ayesha,
Yes, sir.
can you do K?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
7 plus 1 plus 2 is 10 and 10 plus 5 is 15.
Very good. And then Akshara,
Yes, sir.
your question is F.
Okay, sir. 7,
Hmm.
6 plus 4 is 10. And 7, we can take 2 and 7, so that will be 9. So total 10 plus 9 is 19.
19. Okay. So I am leaving the remaining questions. You can do them later. And moving on to the next slide. Here also completing the whole. Completing the whole, nothing but not only making tens, we can also make 10 multiples, right? So because in the previous exercise, all are digits, 1-digit numbers only. That's why we completed tens first. But here there are 2-digit numbers also. That's why we will complete 10 multiples first, and later we will add the remaining numbers. We'll try. Advika. Advika. Bhargav. What happened? Mohit.
Yes, sir.
Can you do E? Question number E.
Yes, sir. 13 plus 17 is 20.
No.
Sorry, 30. Yeah, 13 plus
Yeah,
17
yeah.
is 30.
Okay.
And 16 plus 24 is 40. So 30 plus 40 is equal to 70.
Very good. 70. So like, who is speaking? Advika, your question is I.
Yes, sir. 9 plus 1 is equals to 10.
10.
7 plus 3 is equals to 10.
Okay.
And 5 is left over. 1 will add 10 plus 10 is equals to 20. 20 plus 5 is equals to 25.
Very good. Next, Patak.
Yes, sir.
Your question is G.
Yes, sir. Are you able to hear me?
Yes. You're audible. You can proceed.
Yes, sir. 25 plus 15 is 40. And 33 plus 22 is 55. So 55 plus 40 is 95.
Yeah, correct. This is 55. And together it is 95. Yeah. What I'm telling is, in this type of questions, our treasure, like a treasure hunt, our treasure is tens or 10 multiples. Okay. So 1 second. Yeah, sorry guys. Next is Ritvik.
Yes, sir.
K.
Okay, sir. Sir, 19 plus 11 will be 30.
Okay.
Then 43 plus 8 will be 51.
51. Okay.
Then 51 plus 30 will be 81.
81. Correct. So you complete the remaining questions and we'll move on to the next slide. So adding the columns. Before doing these questions, let us do one thing. Let us learn one thing here. That is balancing rule. Balancing rule. Yes.
We have done this in previous class also.
No, not for this batch. I think you attended in the other batch. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, see, balancing rule. So this is just a rule, but it is not any mathematical operation. It is not an addition. It is not a subtraction. It is not a multiplication. And it is not a division. But in all these operations, we use this application. We use this balancing rule application in all these applications. Sorry, in all these mathematical operations. But it is not a direct any mathematical operation. Okay. Suppose there are some numbers like 43, 25, 32, and then 55, and then 39. Okay. So see here carefully. While balancing, we have to move from right end to left. Right to left we have to move. And we have to drop units place. And whatever the remaining number, we have to carry forward. So here the remaining number is 3. We need to carry forward that 3. 55 plus 3 is? 55 plus 3 is?
58.
In that new number 58, what is the units place?
8.
8. Drop that 8 and carry forward
5.
5. So 32 plus 5 is?
37.
37.
In that 37, drop
7.
7. Carry
3.
3. And then 25 plus 3?
28.
28. Drop 8. Carry forward 2.
2.
42. 43 plus 2.
45.
So because it is the last number, we have to bring it as it is. 45. So this is the balancing result of the given numbers. Balancing result. I'm telling balancing result. And this is not addition, this is not subtraction, this is not multiplication, and this is not division also. Okay, it is just an application. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
we'll do one more balancing with the numbers. What if the numbers are like this? Suppose 29, 38, 77, and then 54, 93. Okay. Tell me. Drop
3
3, carry.
and carry 9.
Okay. Now the new number is?
54 plus 9 is 63.
In that 63,
Drop 3 and carry 6.
drop 3, carry forward 6. Now the new number is?
83.
83. In that 83, again,
Drop 3, carry 8.
carry 8. 38 plus 8 is?
46.
In that 46, drop
Drop
6, carry
6, carry
forward
4.
Carry 4.
4. 29 plus 4 is?
33.
So this, yeah, this is the resultant. This is the result of the balancing. Balancing the given numbers. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, what if the numbers are like this? 27, 103, 95, 6, 128, and then 5, then 23. Okay, now tell the balancing result. There are some 3-digit numbers, there are some 1-digit number, there is some 2-digit numbers also. Drop.
Drop 3 and carry 2.
Carry 2.
5
5
plus
plus 2.
2 is 7.
Because it is only 1-digit number. And
We won't carry it.
there will be no carry. We have to drop it as it is. And directly go to the next number. So in that 128 units places?
8. We drop
8.
8 and carry 12.
Drop 8, carry 12. Now this number becomes?
18.
In that 18 again?
Drop 8, carry 1.
Carry 1. The new number here is?
96.
Drop 6.
Carry 9.
Carry 9. 109, sorry, 103 plus 9.
112.
In that 112?
Drop 2, carry 11.
Carry 11. And finally?
38.
38. I think you have understood the balancing, how to balance the given numbers.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all of you, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll see its application here. See, here also we will add we'll add in such a way that we'll try to find the tens first and later the remaining numbers. So we'll go column by column. So I'll take first column here. Here, which numbers we can add first?
8 and 2.
8 and 2 is 110. 6 and 4 is another 10. 10 plus 10 is
20.
20. We have to balance with. The second column is 6 plus 4 is
4. 10.
10. 2 plus 5 is 17.
7.
Now simply balance these numbers. Tell me. Drop 7.
Drop 7 and carry 1.
Carry 1. The
21.
result is
217.
This is the answer. 270. Okay. Got its application?
Yes, sir.
Right. So then Bhunesh,
Yes, sir.
can you apply the same on B?
Yes, sir.
Explain. First column is
First column is 3.
tell.
3, 7, 8, 9, 14.
Okay, directly you are telling. Just
14.
you can explain. Okay, 3 plus 7 is 10 plus 4 is 14. Okay.
14
Balance with
and 16.
5 plus 5 is 10 plus 6 is 16. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the result is
6.
drop 6,
156.
carry 1. 14 plus 1 is 15.
15.
Right there.
Okay.
Next is Sharanya.
Yes, sir.
Can you do C? Can you explain
Yes,
C?
sir. Yes, sir. 6 plus 4 is 10 and 7 plus 3 is 10. So it is 20.
Together it is 20. Okay.
8 plus 2, 10 and 8 plus 1, 9. So 19.
Okay.
Then bring down 9 and carry 1.
Okay.
So and it's 21, 219.
219. Correct. Next, Shravani,
Yes, sir.
your question is D.
Yes, sir. 7 plus 3, 10 plus. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Anything is okay.
Okay. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 4, it's 14.
Okay.
8 plus 2, 10 plus 4, it's again 14.
Okay.
7 plus 3 plus 5, it's 15.
Okay.
Drop, we have to drop 4 and carry. Okay, yes, sir. 6.
What about 6? Okay. Continue.
We have to drop 4 and carry 6. I mean, carry 1.
Okay. Okay.
And we have to add 4. We have to add
1 to
it
14.
with 1. We have to add 14 with 1, and then drop 5, carry 1.
Okay.
And then we have to again add with 1, drop 6, carry 1.
Okay.
And we have to add with 1, which is 7.
Done. Very good. So, Bhargav, are you there? Okay, we'll start with again Aditi. Aditi, E.
Yes.
Proceed. Aditi. Okay, so one person will do one column. Okay. Anvesha,
Yes, sir.
Can you do first column?
Yes,
In
sir.
question number E.
So first column is 5, 4, and 9. Oh, 5. Okay. Yes,
First
sir.
complete tens and later remaining numbers.
Yes, sir. So 7 plus 3, 10.
Okay.
Then 3 plus 2, 5, and 5 plus 5, 10.
Okay.
10 plus 1, 11.
Okay.
And 10 plus 10, 20, so 21.
20 plus 1.
21. Yes, sir.
Okay. Akshara, second column.
Yes, sir. Sir, E1, right?
In E, second column.
Okay, sir. So 317 and 241. So 7
317, 241. Where are the numbers?
Where am I doing it wrong?
Which question? Question number E, second column, middle column.
Yes, sir. 3172. Okay, okay. Yes, sir. 481. Can you just read the? Okay, sir. So 8 plus 4 is going to be 12.
No. First complete tens and later remaining numbers.
Okay, sir. Then 4 and 2. And again 4. That's going to be 10.
4, 2, 4. Okay. You are taking these three, suppose.
It's going to be 10 and 8 and 2, 10.
8 and 2, another 10. And remaining?
And then 1 and also 21.
So it is again 21. Okay, done. Then Akshara,
Yes, sir.
you just
The
told,
last
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. We'll go with another person. Anvesha?
Sir, I already told.
Okay. Then Aditi, right? I asked Aditi first. Aditi is unable to.
Advika.
Advika. Then proceed with the last card.
Yes, sir. 9 plus 1 is equals to 10.
Okay.
7 plus 2 plus 1
Hmm.
is equals to 10.
Okay. And remaining with?
6. So 10 plus 6 is equals to 26.
Right. Then the answer is?
26.
Okay. Now we'll balance it. Drop 6.
Drop 6 and carry 2.
Carry 2. 23.
23. Drop 3 and carry 2.
Drop 3. Carry 2.
23.
23. Right. So then you can do this later. Okay. I'm leaving it to you. Use that balancing rule. And we will use the same balancing rule in another way also. We'll see that later. Okay. Next, we are going to take another new sutra, that is Sankalana Vyavakalanabhyam. Sankalana Vyavakalanabhyam, by the addition and subtraction. By the addition and subtraction. See how to. What is this sutra? We'll see that first. Suppose there is a number like 23. We need to add 9. Okay, what is our last class procedure in our previous classes, like Purana Puranabhyam? By the completion and non-completion, we have done this in this way. So to complete 23 or to complete 9, we need, how much is deficient? 9 is deficient by
1.
1, and by taking that 1, we completed this number, and meanwhile this number becomes
22.
22. So 22 plus 10 will be 32. So this is our approach in Purana Puranabhyam. Okay. Now for the same question, how to do it using this one, Sankalana Vyavakalanabhyam. 23 plus 9. So for 23 we have to add. For 23 actually you have to add
7.
No,
to
here.
make it 30. Oh,
For 23, actually we have to add 9. I think instead of adding 9, it will be very easy to add 10. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
So instead of adding 9, it is easy to add 10. That's why we will add 10 first. So 23 plus 10 will be 33.
33.
33
So in
minus
place
1.
of 9, instead of 9, we took 10. Means we have added one number extra. Then we will subtract that one number from the resultant. So we'll get the same answer, 32. Okay. So these things are to be done mentally. Okay. Somebody told you to add 9. So we don't add 9. We'll directly add 10. And later in the resultant, we'll subtract that one. Okay. Sankalana, Vyavakarana. So here Sankalana, nothing but collecting the things. Adding the things or collecting the things. Vyavakalana means removing the things, subtracting the things. So here we are adding both of them. Suppose if you see on the number line, if you see this question on the number line, here is the number 23. So we are adding 10. We are adding 10, the number becomes 33. But instead of 9, we have added 10 means we have to, on the number line, we have to come backwards again. How many positions we have to come backwards? 1 position. Because out of 10 positions, 9 positions are required. So we don't need this 1 position. This 1 position, if we come back, this number will be 32. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Here we use both of them. Both Sankalana means both addition and both subtraction. So this is the way to do questions using this sutra. Sankalana Vyavakalana. Now we'll do these questions. Okay. Okay. We'll start with the Bhunesh.
Yes, sir.
Explain A. Don't tell the answer, just explain.
Sir, I have net issues. That is why I didn't listen that.
Okay. Now you can listen to your friends. They will explain. Mohit.
Yes, sir.
A. Question number A.
Okay, sir. So in this, we just have to add 55 plus 10 minus 1, which is equal to 65 minus 1.
55, 10 plus 1 is 65. Because we
Minus
added one extra,
So
we are subtracting that one.
Yes, sir.
We
Which is
helped him
64.
and now we are taking back 65. Okay, then.
No, sir, it's 64.
Oh, sorry. Okay, then Patak. D.
Yes, sir. So which one?
D.
D. So we'll add 73 plus 10, which is 83, minus 1, which is 82.
73 plus 10 is 83. Minus
1 is
82. Okay. Then you can do the remaining questions very easy, right? Okay, here only tell me. Instead of adding 9, what we are doing? We are adding 10 and later we are subtracting
1.
Suppose if any number is given with 8, instead of adding,
you're adding 10.
Sir, we'll add 10 and minus 2.
We'll add 10 and then we'll subtract 2. If there is a number ending with 7,
add 10 and subtract 3.
Subtract 3. Number ending with 6,
add 10 and subtract 4.
So this rule, Sankalana Vyavakalana Abhyam, is applicable anywhere actually, but it is suggestible to for the numbers when we are adding the numbers ending with 9, 8, 7, 6, because if you go beyond these numbers, if there is a number ending with 2, then also you can apply this. But if you apply this, it is not suggestible, right? So instead of adding 2, we are adding 10, then subtracting 8. This is not suggestible. This will be a big question now again. Okay, we are simplifying the things, and this is not the simplified form. In place of 2, adding 10 and subtracting 8 is not suggestible. Okay, so we can add Sankalana Vyavakalana Abhyam for any numbers ending with 9 or 8 or 7 or 6. Right. Here. Sharanya.
Yes, sir.
C. Instead of adding 49, what we can add?
We can add 50 and minus 1.
Better. Tell me. 36 plus 50?
86.
Okay, then?
Minus 1 is 85.
86 minus 1 is 85. And then Shravani?
Yes, sir.
Your question is B.
Okay. B, okay. Sir, we can add 55 plus 30.
Okay. How
minus
much?
1. 55 plus 30 minus 1.
How much it is? 55 plus 30 is how much?
Sir?
55 plus 30, how much it is?
Sir, sir, can we even take the first number? Like, we can add 5 to the first number and then we can add 60 to 90.
Yeah, you can. You can.
Okay, sir. Sir, then 55 plus 10 is 60. 60 plus 30 is 90. And since we
55 plus 10 plus 5 you're doing. Just tell me. 55 plus 30 is how much?
55 plus 10 is 65.
No. 55 plus 30. 30.
Okay, 85.
That's all. Minus 1 is 84.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So because it is not the number ending with the 7 or 8 or 9, 6 or 7 or 8 or 9, that is why it is not suggestible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the sum is 85, minus 1 will be 84. Okay. Then Punesh, now you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you can explain H. Question number H.
28 plus 30 is 58.
Okay.
58 minus 1 is 57.
Correct. So 57.
57.
Can anybody explain the same question in any other way? H.
So 29 plus 30 is 59 and minus 2 is 57.
29 plus 30. Okay, right. Any other way?
Sir, 30 plus 30 minus 3.
That's better, right? 30 plus 30. I'll consider this number as 30 and this number as also 30. 30 plus 30 is very easy. 30 plus 30 is 60. We considered together we considered how much extra? Here 2 extra, here 1 extra, 3. Then we can subtract that 3. Will be 57. Okay. Right. Then go to the next slide. Then Adrika.
Yes, sir.
B. Question number B. This one.
Okay, sir. 44 plus 30 is equals to
Wait. 44 plus
44 plus 30
30. Okay.
is equals to 74
Okay.
minus 3 is
Good.
equals to 71
Why minus 3?
because 7 we can
We
take
already took
7
3 extra. That's why we are subtracting that 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then Akshara, your question is F.
That's 19 and 19. So total is going to be 40, and then we have to subtract 1. So 39.
Which one? Which question?
Okay, sorry, sir, I was doing B. Okay, sir, 36 and 37, right? Total is
Okay.
going to be 46, and then we have to subtract 3 to 43.
You are explaining which question, man? F only.
Yes, sir, 40.
36 plus 37. That is your question. 36 plus 37.
Yes, sir, we made it 40, and we have to add 36. So 40, 50, 60, 70, 76 minus 3.
76. Yes, minus 3. Now
73.
73. Correct. Then H. What we can do? H. Simply like a previous question. Anyone can explain. 30 plus 30 is 60. How much extra is there?
3.
3. So answer is
57.
57. In the same way, G
20 plus 20
is
40 minus 2.
2 is 38.
38.
Right. Similarly, one more. Anvesha,
Yes, sir.
your question is D.
D. Okay. So, sir, 27 plus 40.
So I think it is better to
So take,
consider
okay.
27 instead of 34.
Okay,
So
sir.
always the second number, it can be second number or first number. It can be in any place. So numbers ending with the bigger digits is preferable.
Okay. So 30 plus 34 is 64. Then it will be 64 minus 3. The answer is 61.
61. Good. Then Ayesha.
Yes, sir.
C.
Yes, sir. So for the first number, we'll add 2, 50 plus 35, which is 85. 85 minus 2 is 83.
85 minus 2 is 83. Right. So till now we are doing additions or subtractions?
Additions.
Additions. The same sutra sankalana vyavakalana abhyam is applicable for subtractions also. We'll see that. Suppose any number is given like 47 minus 9. Okay. So what we can do here? 47 minus 9 is easy, or 47 minus 10 is easy?
Minus 10.
Minus 10. 47 minus 10 is how much?
37.
37. So in place of 9, instead of 9, we subtracted 10, means we have subtracted one number extra.
So we'll add one more number.
we will give back that number. So it becomes
38.
38. Previously, we gave the number and after adding the numbers, we are taking back. So here we are subtracting extra number, bigger number, and later we are giving back. Okay. So overall, there is a Sankalana and there is a Vyavakalana. There is an addition as well as subtraction. If you see this question on the number line, this is 47. So for this 47, we have directly added 10 in place of, sorry, we have directly subtracted 10. 47 minus 10 will be 37. But we need to subtract 10 or 9.
9.
9 only means, so we are coming backwards again. So this will be 38. So towards right side, always positive on the number line. Towards left side, always negative on the number line. From any position. What is happening? Okay. Okay, with this idea, let us do this exercise. Bhargav.
Yes, sir.
Can you do A? Can you explain A? Question number A.
Sir, question number 8.
A.
Right?
A. First question.
44 minus 90.
Yes.
Sir, subtract 1 from 40 and add 1 to 19, sir. It will be 43 plus 20.
No. You are doing it in previous Purana Abhyam you are applying. We just consider 19 as 20 mentally. Okay. We'll just consider 19 as 20 mentally. 44 minus 20 is how much?
24.
24. So instead of 19, we have subtracted 20 means we have subtracted one number extra. Okay. Then give back that number. Will be. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Aditi. Yeah, carry on. Next, Bhunesh.
Yes, sir.
B for Bhunesh.
B. 66 minus 30 is 36.
Okay.
36 minus 1 is 35.
Yeah, why minus 1?
Because we are adding 29 plus 1.
Okay, then you are subtracting.
35.
No. Okay, all of you, one time see here. The behind the logic is, behind this sutra, the logic is, suppose I'll take this number only, this question only, option, question number B I'm taking. 66 minus 29. This is the question actually. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Can I write this question like 66 minus of 30 minus 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then tell 66 minus 30 minus into minus plus 1. So first we are doing this one and later we are adding 1, not subtracting. Bhunesh, actually
yes, sir,
you have to subtract 29, right?
Yes, sir.
You are subtracting 30 means you are extra. You are subtracting some extra, 1 extra.
Yes, sir.
And for the final resultant, you have to give back, right?
Yes, sir.
Instead of giving back, you are taking 1 more number extra. So it will be 37. So here 66 minus 30 is 36. and then plus 1 will be 37. That's the answer. So
Okay.
we are avoiding all this procedure and we made it like a sutra. We are learning it like a sutra. Simply we are adding a round number. Later we are subtracting a round number. Later we are adding the remaining number. Okay, then. After Bonish, Patak. Patak. Ritvik. Okay, Sharanya.
Yes, sir.
Can you do E? Question number E.
Yes, sir. 52 minus 30 is 22 plus 2 is 24.
22, sorry, 22. And then?
Plus 2.
Plus 2. Why plus 2?
Because we added 2 in 28.
Because we subtracted 2 extra. So we are adding that 2. Then question number H is for Shravani. Shravani.
Okay, yes, sir.
H.
Yes, 81 minus 60.
Yes. Tell.
Sir, I'm a bit confused at this part. So should we add again?
No, first subtract. 81 minus 60 is how much?
Okay, so first we have to subtract 81 by 60 and then we have to...
First to do that. 81 minus 60 is how much?
Sir, it's 21.
Okay. In place of 58, you subtracted 60. Means you subtracted 2 extra.
So we have to add 2.
We have to add that 2.
Okay, sir.
Then it will be 23.
Yes, sir.
So always remember this point. When we are doing subtractions, the first term is called minuend. The second term is called subtrahend. And the result is called difference. Okay, subtraction will be easy when the subtrahend is a round number. Subtraction will be easy when the subtrahend is a round number. We are making that subtrahend as a round number. Understood? In every question, see,
yes, sir.
We are making 19 as 20. We are considering 29 as 30, 28 as 30, 58 as 60. Okay. And let me explain the same thing in another way. Let us take one question from these questions only. I'm taking F 72 plus 48. See. 72 minus 48. All of you listen to me carefully. We can make this number as 50, right? Nearby round number. All of you, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If we consider 48 as 50, then you can consider 72 as 74. Again, the difference will be same.
Yes, sir.
So then which is easy? First case is easy or second case is easy?
Second case.
Second case. That answer is? Answer
24.
24. That's all. That's all. That is the answer. Actually, the given question is 72 minus 48, but we make it as our comfortability. So we made it like 74 minus 50. How much we are adding to 48? The same amount if you add to the 72, then the difference will not change. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then see question number A, question number 1. I'm just making this question like this. See, 19 I'm making 20 as well. I'm making 44 as a 45, so that the difference will not change. Tell me, 45 minus 20 is how much?
25.
25. That's the directly the answer. We can get the answer. Okay, tell. 29 I'm making 30. Then 66 we can make
67.
67 minus 30.
37.
37. 52 minus 28. 28 I'm making 30. 52 we can make
54.
54. 54 minus 30 is
24.
24. Any doubt? Anyone?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Okay,
No,
then
sir.
in this way, this is not Sankalana Vyavakalana Abhyam also. We are using our technique only. J, can you explain J?
Sir, can I?
Okay.
So, sir, 90 minus 66 will become 1 second. 90 minus 66 will become 9.
First think of this one. What we can make this number?
66 will become 70.
Then
And 90
whatever the
will-
operation here, we'll do the same
94.
operation. 90 becomes 94.
94.
Now also the difference will be same. What is the difference? 94 minus 70.
94 minus 70 is 24.
24. That's all. Okay, then who will do L?
Sir, can I?
Hmm.
So 57 will become 60
Okay.
and 60 will become 63.
63.
63 minus 60 is 3.
Simply 3. So actually for this question, that is also not required. If you observe the question. 60, 57. 57 only, na? Directly we can say adding 3, we can get 60. And the last question, today's last question, that is I. Question number I. Who is going to do?
Sir, can I?
Proceed.
Advita?
Sir, 36 will turn into 40.
Okay.
And 83 will turn into 85.
No.
86.
No.
87.
Okay. 36 is added by 4 means 83 also will be added by the same 4 only.
Yes, sir.
The answer is?
The answer is 47.
47. Advika, K?
So for cake, we need to make 27 as 30s.
Okay.
55 minus 30 is equals to 45.
Okay,
35.
55 minus 30 is?
35.
55 minus 30. 25.
25. 25 plus 3.
25 plus 3 is?
28.
So yes, we are adding that processor also. See, we are making 23 as 30. Simultaneously, we can do 55 as 58. We can make 55 as 58. Because we added 3 for 27 means we can add the same 3 for 55 also. So that there will be no difference. There will be no change in the difference. Okay. Now you can tell the answer for this 58 minus 30.
Yes, sir.
58 minus 30 is how much?
28.
That's the answer. No need of any extra operations. Right? So we are stopping here. We'll start another sutra in the next class. That is important sutra. Nikhilam. Sutra name is Nikhilam. We'll see Nikhilam Sutra in the next class. Okay.
Okay, sir.